Hello, welcome to Guru Helps. In this video, I'm going to show you about how can we create comments or add comments or hints in Python when we are while we programming, coding, right? So in Python, comments are used to add descriptions and explanations to your code that are ignored by interpreter. There are certain ways to document your code and make it easier for others and also for yourself to understand what your code is doing. So you can add comments by using hash symbols at the beginning of line, and anything written after hash symbol on the line is ignored by the interpreter. So here is an example of single line comment in Python. I'm going to comment. So as mentioned above, we have to write down hash, and this is a single line comment, right? For example, if I also do some coding here for your understanding, age 1 is equal to 23, age 2, let's say age 2 is equal to 30. Now print age 1 and print age 2. Let's run it. See, so you can see here that the comment line here is ignored by the interpreter, meaning that it is not printing here, right? So the Python interpreter just focus on these print lines, two print lines including this data, right? So not printing this comment line and just ignore so that it is not printing. So that the main aim of comment, writing comment on coding, during coding, is to understanding the code, and other what is called better understanding about the code and debugging, something like that. So we can have the comments. We have two types of comment, one single line comment and another one is multi-line comment. So multi-line comment here, let me just paste it, rerun it, right? You can see here if you want to comment, if you want to write multi-line comment in multiple line, you have to put triple quote here. You can see triple quote. That means you can comment or you can write comment in multiple lines, right? So this is how it looks like. And then if you run the Python interpreter here, also same thing as above, it will just ignore the comment lines. So just focusing on the print line with this related data or variable and values that we input here, right? So this is how we can use comments to explain what code, provide context for particular section of code, or to temporarily disable a piece of code for debugging purposes. So it is good to practice add comments to your code and to make it easier to understand, even not only for you, also for others who view or read your code. And it is also very helpful to maintain your code. So that's all for now.